Hello, storyteller. I am just a character in search of an author. You can call me Justin, for want of a better name, for there are no names here in the void, and no faces either. I don't know how long I've been stuck here in the void, waiting for an author, as there is no sun, no moon, no seasons. All I know of passing time is what I see through this camera, as I watch you write and create stories. Your stories, of course, must have great characters, and the characters come from here, the void, the big blank page. They were all faceless and nameless like me, until they were created by you. I can see old friends in the worlds you build. They leave inky footprints on pages, and they have great names, like Hamlet, who sees the ghost of his father and wonders whether it is better to be or not to be. Definitely to be, old friend. I see Gatsby staring at a green light, and I can feel his longing, even from here. And Emma Bovary, still as beautiful and delicate as the life she dreams of. They are finished. They have stories. They have homes. I have none. So what's to be done? I can't write myself into your stories or the words you build, but as easily as you can see me, I have watched you create these stories, so I will share what I have learned. And hopefully the more you write, the greater chance that you write a story and create a character just for me. So, this is the first book of Justin, Chapter 1, From the Void. In the beginning, there was a blank page, and the blank page was a formless void. But you filled that void with the word, and another word, and another word, for that is all it takes to create a story with characters, just like me. I see you watching, but you could be writing. I am just a character in search of an author. Perhaps that author is you.